Hello, this is a video on how to use CQ website. First of all, you need to add WP-admin to the URL after the domain name URL. And then once you click on it, it will come up with this screen where you will enter the username and the password that we will provide to you. So once you log in, it will show you here in the back end something called WordPress dashboard. On the WordPress dashboard, there's the three major areas you need to know so you can manage the website correctly. So it's posts, pages, and slideshows. So on first thing first, once you go to the website backend, you will see visit site under the home button here. And once you click on visit site, you will notice there is a black bar on the top appearing on the website. So this black bar, it will help you edit the page that you are on. So if you want to edit this page, for example, you click on edit page. And over here, you will see the page builder that we've added for you, which is called WP Bakery Page Builder. Okay, the next step will be is changing images and text, which is very simple to do. You can start that by clicking Edit Single Image. Once you do that, it will show you the picture that you want to choose, and you can upload the picture either from your computer, or you can choose one of the pictures you have already uploaded. You need to make sure that the sizes of the images on the website are correct, so you can have the exact same styling on the website. Once you finish that, you click Set Image, and it will be set on over here. Once that's done, also click again Save Changes, and then you click Preview Changes if you to preview if you like the changes you've done or not, and then you can click Update. Now, changing the text is also very simple. Just by clicking Edit here, and you find the text, you can change it to whatever you want. You need to pay attention to heading to be if you have multiple heading ones, it's not good for SEO. So you need to make sure there is only one heading one. So if you have heading two, that's fine. The text here is also the same way of editing. The editing of the text is actually pretty simple, like using a Word document. Next, after finishing all that, you can also edit the button here. The button will have a view more button here, the text of the button, and then you will have the URL link. So over here you can select either page or add an external link. But if you do an external link, you need to make sure you click add no follow to the external link. Once all of that is completed, save changes. Next step is the exact same thing for all. You might find something different for items like that. For example, the hover item. If we look on the website right now, see how the hover item is created here on the resources section. So you can go back to here and click and edit. You find the text of the hover item on the top, the tag, and then the picture tag. Please try not to touch any of the tags so you can keep the same size. Upload image here. You can upload whatever image you want, and then you need to keep view more button here so you can have the text on the page. This is the hover effect, hover number 19, which is the overlay hover that we have right now. So after finishing all the changes, again, you can do previous changes and then edit them. It's the same exact way everywhere, the way editing the pages. Now, let's try to add a new page to the services page. So if you want to add a new page, let's call it test. And then you need to click on the backend editor button here so you can view the WP Bakery editor. And you can choose a template, one of the templates we created for you, inner page template. You can click on that, and it will create the inner page template for you. Then now you can choose the column structure. It's either you can do it custom, so you can do, for example, half by half, or you can do it thirds. It's up to you the way it will preview. So after doing that, you can you need to also add a featured image on the top. Let's say, for example, this image, and preview changes. Once you do that, you'll see this is the text here, and this is the image on top. It's not going to show perfectly because the image is bigger than the div size here. So you need to find an image that matches one of the inner page services top image. So you need to find an image this size to put on the top over here. Now, after doing all that, you can either publish it or move it to trash. It's up to you. You can also change the publishing to go to the next month. After doing all that, you can also add it to the menu. Now, adding the page to the menu is really simple. You need to go to the appearance section here, menus. All right, so over here, you will find the services. On the left-hand side, you can see the most recent used pages, or you can do view all. And when you do view all, you can find a page. If you have too many pages to search from, you can just click search and find the page from here. Then once you select the page, it will go automatically to the bottom. You can drag it and put it under the services here. If you are satisfied with it and satisfied, you can change also the text here. If you're satisfied with it and satisfied with the text, you can update the menu, or you can remove it. Remove the menu items. Updating the menu is by clicking Save Menu. Now, for slideshows is important because you have on the home page a big slider. So to edit the slides on the home page is basically you can either you can click Edit here, and you can change the image to whatever you want, and you can change the text here to anything you want, change the button link to anything you want. Once you finish, you can click update and it will update it there. You notice the order here, which orders the slides for you. If you want this slide to be number 2, just make it number 2 and go to the other slide and make it number 1. Make sure the order is set correctly. Now, if we want to add a new slide now, click on add a new, type the slide name, back in editor again, add a template, select the template from here. What do you want to call it? You want it you need to do it on the slide content, and here you want to edit the text if you want to edit the text or edit the button. And don't forget about setting a feature image. After finishing, you can publish the slide. If I left the page like this, you will notice it's set automatically as a draft. If you want to keep it as draft, you can, or if you want to move it to trash, you can do that as well. Trash, you can here either delete the trash permanently or restore it. Also, it's up to you. Now, for posts, it's the same procedure. You can click on add a new post, put the text. And you can the only thing with posts is automatically sorted, so you can just copy paste the content here. The other thing is you need to select the category block so you can have the correct URL structure, and you can select the featured image, anything you want as well. Once that's completed, you can publish the post. Okay, next step is the contact forms here. So you have two contact forms in here. You can edit the emails for the recipients by clicking edit, and then you go to notifications, edit, and you can change the recipient to anything you want or add a CC. Save and then save again. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.